Ladies and gentlemen, we
We're live. How's it going? Welcome back to Trench Capital, and it is Monday, the 3rd of August. Good morning to all of you waking up to the markets. First things first, let's talk about Michael Saylor selling his Bitcoin. Did you see that?
Yeah, man, what is up, Money Gang? I would say what is up, YouTube X. We probably have a lot more viewers on X recently, and some of them also on Kick, so that's nice to see. About Sailor, I mean, it's always bullish, man. Whenever he sells, it's always
the
bullish.
markets have a little pump, don't they, when he sells?
The markets always turn up bullish because he was selling Bitcoin at the previous bottoms, and people correlate that to like market bottom. When Sailor sells, it's getting close to the bottom.
It's like when Richard tweets, that's the top.
The sell button.
PulseChain. When Richard tweets,
oh my
that's
God.
that. Be like, well done, guys. We didn't hit 12 months in a row of red candles, GGs. But where's all of the pump gone? Was that it? Was that the limp dick gains that we just saw? Is that it? I thought we were decorrelated from the rest of the market. I thought it was our season. Are you, you know, what's the deal?
Our season, man, our season is gonna come whenever it is above 4K. No, 5K probably.
Higher, 5K.
After he can brag, he'll be in plus, and he can brag about anything that he was right. Right now, you know, there is a coin on Robinhood, which is like buy button, and there is a lore behind that. I have no fucking idea. It went up to millions. We should have one on PulseChain that is sell button. Whenever Richie tweets, should fucking just press the sell button, because we were last week we were talking about that, like you just have to have a macros. When Richie started posting again, because he was silent for 1 week or more than that, and people are like guessing like, oh, where is Richard? He's not like speaking, he's not like, whenever he started to post again this dumb shit, bro, the market literally went aggressive into selling, because like he's like, oh, I'm right, I told you so, and whatever the fuck. It's like, bro, this make no sense. You like have to be bullish. You have to post like something just small, 3 words, like, you know, something is happening or something like that. Just like, you know, you just have to tweet like cryptic in your own way, that you don't go and post about the charts, you don't speak about anything else. Like, yes, you can educate everyone when you're gonna go on live stream. Nice intro. Thank you, Timur. This is one of my old OGs from Twitch days.
What's up, bro?
But yeah, man, I mean, you've seen what happened, and it's happening every single time. So PulseChain is in a lot of trouble right now. Or
huge
pain.
Amounts of trouble.
I would say a huge amount of pain.
Yeah, no, it's not looking good, bro. I'll be honest. It's not looking good.
The hate towards me, I'm not sure. Like,
well, you're flooding their bags, but like
I mean, I'm kind of funding my own bags as well because I still have
That's right.
bags and pretty much probably the size of they never dreamed about, and I still fund, but I'm just speaking the facts because I know if those facts can be fixed, the
Yeah.
chain can do insanely great. It can
Yeah, I
like
agree.
turn something amazing, right?
Yeah, no, I agree with you on that. Like, I do think it could do some real bits. The problem is it just doesn't hold any price structure ever. And it's like, it's unbelievably frustrating because you can't just, when you see those green candles, you can't get too excited. You know, the trend is going in the opposite direction, like general crypto trend, and we keep saying the same narratives over and over again. It's decoupled or decorrelated. It's not decorrelated. It was decorrelated for maybe 4 months in 2021. 4 months from when Bitcoin hit a 65K top and then started going down to 20K, I think it was. We were decorrelated for 4 months up until the September of 2021. And that's it. That's literally it. That's your decorrelation right there. And it's
Yeah.
so like it's frustrating because people get so hyped up and they start going, "Oh, told you so," this, that, and the other, and then you're like, "Well, yeah, okay, all right, let's see it play out. Let's put some money down and see it play out." And it didn't. It's like 25% down since then. You know, that's just me personally on
Oh,
one of my
it is
positions.
way more down. I mean, Pulse itself hasn't really moved as much, but we had like Hex leading the way. We had like Crypto Coffee streaming almost every day for that whole week that it's pumping. I was like, that's interesting, you know? Uh,
It
and
just makes us
also,
look like fools. Anyone who streams about it, it makes them look like fools.
yeah, when price goes down, it's always hard, you know, but you can feel the vibe shift when prices are going up and like how people, you know, are like getting bullish, a bit euphoric. And we were speaking like I posted about that, like the market's feeling a little bit euphoric. Uh, I, I was like, okay, maybe we have some down because Bitcoin also kind of dumped since that moment.
Okay.
PulseChain followed straight away, but it followed with consequences, or like not consequences, but you know, with the feedback from Richard and like whatever he is trying to do. So
Yeah. You can't shit on Bitcoin. Like I just it drives me nuts that people shit on Bitcoin or shit on like okay, yeah, you can say that it's too heavy now and whatever. You're not going to get that many gains, but like you can't shit on that. It's getting to the point where you know like there are opportunities that PulseChain can do. Like I've noticed when I was on FOMO app the other day, one of the trending coins on FOMO app was Hex on Ethereum. It's like holy shit! It's
wow,
in the top 15 trending on FOMO. I see it. I
yeah,
was like, nah, I can't believe this. And I see
yeah.
people, you know, they do the comments thing on FOMO app and stuff. And yeah, like if you can get that integrated into something like that, that's great. That's going to increase the volume, it's increase the trading velocity on those coins. But I need, you know, I need someone to do something. We need a CEX listing. We need something, right? Other than Ethereum goes up and let's just see if the big man puts some money in. Like there has to be
Oh,
other narratives.
he's gonna put for sure. You know,
Of course, like every blockchain
his
founder does.
Wigo. Yeah, I mean, we know that BNB is buying back. It's like
Of course.
some sort of buying back, like buying back and burn. You know, like BNB has their own functions, how it operates through Binance. They have like huge amount of fees. They have different protocols, different revenues. Uh, like for sure. And PulseChain has basically a man who did sacrifice huge bags of ETH. That's all, right? Because his power is not even near, man. I bet that I did the post in comparison. Like, you know, have you seen like the kimchi guy going fucking
I think that's a
absolutely nuts?
sale, bro. I've seen it. Yeah. So supposedly he put $3 million into Trump coin, and then it went
Yeah,
up to 40 million. So
Oh,
I don't know how true that is.
I
It's
mean,
not verified. Is it verified on chain?
even though he made a lot of money, but the thing is like how much traction, attention
Loads.
it got from the city, and like what the truly marketing, uh, like how marketing works nowadays is completely different than what Richard is still trying to do after like 5 years. I don't even remember when Hex was launched. But speaking about that, like 25 mils impressions in like a couple of days against Richard, whatever he's posting, getting like 20K, and those 20-30K views are like probably from the same echo chamber. It's not going outside, because no one is gonna like let them shit in your face and still support you, right? It's the same
Yeah.
old people from the same echo chamber. Like even me, probably I'm getting the same kind of views if I'm gonna go aggressive again on X and post. So it was fun, and that moment I just pressed a little bit more of the sell button, and like, guys, just you know press it, and people started to hate on me. I was like, why the fuck would we hate? Because we were speaking at the bottoms in June. Correct me if I'm wrong, Money Gang. Like it was like literally the bottom of almost Hex, and like it was like 1.540 something about that. It was like literally the bottom. We bought those. We had the on chain summer. Like it's normal to take profits, and like if the trend is not your friend, then you fucking sell. Especially founder, like he's like, oh, I'm gonna keep doing whatever I'm doing. Yeah, you can pump the charts and not tweet. That works way better for PulseChain.
Well, yeah. That's the big thing. Yeah. Don't tweet. Like turn your phone off for a month, and just let the chart do its thing. Because speculation and like mystery does better in this particular ecosystem than tweeting. That's the truth. This is like PDI, the whole thing, the whole narrative surrounding PDI and this, that, and the others. It's all conspiracy, and it's all, like it's just basically like rumors of this happened or that happened or whatever. So, yeah,
But yeah, I mean, we're still like the volatility is so high that it gives opportunity for short-term gains, either to grab some more if you still have that die-hard, spirit. You can still. I don't know where the fuck you're gonna get the income, because if you're trenching on PulseChain, you wouldn't made any money for the past months. It's been so dead.
ProveX
Either
launched. That
Yeah,
was the last
ProveX
one.
probably was the only thing, that,
Yeah.
and
If you
that
got in
that
on the
was it.
sacrifice, Bucks sacrifice, yeah.
Exactly, exactly.
I
So
don't
you
think
had
there's
to be
been
like
anything else.
multi-chain or something like that.
That's why everyone went to Robinhood, bro. It's like everyone
Oh
who
yeah,
was trenching, they went to Robinhood to try and make
I
some
mean,
money.
Robinhood has been having some interesting times. But before we go into other chains, let's
Let's talk
speak
about
about,
names.
yeah, let's speak about the majors. What do you think is gonna happen with Sailor announcing, like that he cheated again? 15K of how much?
It was $108 million worth.
100. Okay,
I think. Let me just 102. Sorry, $102 million worth of Bitcoin.
because
Yeah.
that's interesting. Market has been like open really on fire today.
Well, it's
I have this
half of its
chart.
percentage, but yeah,
Yeah,
it's looking all right.
because right now we have like stock crash in Japan. We have in
But you're on the
North
hourly
Korea.
chart. Are you going out hourly or?
Uh, I'm having like this is like 4 hours. Yeah,
Okay.
4 hours, because I'm looking at the short term, because this was like a clean, breakout for me, because we had like, bounce. We have like probably the bottoms. It was like it would make sense to break out over here, and right now this is like kind of falling edge, but sometimes those on Pulse chain it always breaks down to the to the lows. I'm not sure,
Well,
like market to wake up quite bullish today, because Bitcoin went up like quite insane.
Yeah, I mean
62
it's
400, 64.
yeah, it had a big red candle yesterday, didn't it? But today a
Yeah,
little bit of green. I mean, it's hard to say because the markets have just opened. The US market is just open.
we had so much rotations, man, and like so much
So last week,
Clarity
last
Act
week
is
we went red.
probably, yeah, Clarity Act is probably not gonna get accepted. It's like a couple more days. We had the oil rising up again. We had some, other things like going around. Probably we could pump a little bit more, but from this point of time when I was like, okay, we probably get in the euphoric stages. Like,
It's it's not going to pass, man. It's not even in the floor schedule. Ted Pillows. I don't know if you follow this guy. He's just tweeted about this a few hours ago. It says
mm-hmm.
the Clarity Act is still not in the Senate's floor schedule, making it increasingly difficult for lawmakers to pass the bill before August 10th recess. If Senate leadership waits until Wednesday to file cloture, a procedural step required to move the bill forward, the earliest vote would likely be Friday. That would leave very little time for the Senate to begin debating the legislation before lawmakers before leaving for recess, for summer recess. Unless Senate leaders speed up the process through a unanimous consent agreement or another procedural shortcut, the window to advance the Clarity Act before the recess is quickly closing. No bueno, but anything can happen, friends. It's politics. I think that it won't go through this week, and
Yeah.
that could lead to a sell-off, but I may be wrong.
Oh, yeah. And we have stock stopping kind of at the same time, maybe the stock crash, the US stock crash is gonna come in perfect timing with Bitcoin bottoming around maybe September, maybe October, maybe even early November, right? Because we had like this cycle has been quite unpredictable right now. Uh,
You've also got this week. You've got Q2 stock earnings coming out.
oh yeah,
So
we're gonna have the
today
Tesla.
you get
Probably it's
announcement.
gonna be positive, man. The SpaceX is gonna be like quite positive. I
Yeah,
believe
we'll
it's gonna be
see.
positive.
Well, if it does, I mean, man,
They
any
have a
ticker
lot of
attached
income,
to
a lot of
SpaceX is
income
going to.
from. They did like quite some massive partnerships, if I'm not wrong. They
Right.
did like yeah, and they probably gonna have high earnings on this report. But we've seen Nvidia stock or Amazon stocks crossing like 3 trillions, first time in history. Like the stocks are so fucking overrated. Like one stock is bigger than the whole crypto industry. So
Yeah,
yes,
that's
we are
right.
early, but are we close to the bottom? With the whole news that we're having, and like it's not quite close, I would say, except the fact that we had the quantum computing fear going on. People, like, we've seen a lot of whales. Have you seen that Bitcoin whales? Some of them like just got out and just like fucking clipped some of their Bitcoins
No, I didn't see that.
because the cold what
Oh
like
yeah, the cold storage hack. Yeah,
yeah, which basically drained around like 88 millions so far of Bitcoin, and
yeah.
like fuck, that's scary. And Jim Carmer went on the live show, and he literally like on TV, and he was like, "Oh, I'm scared to like because of that I would sell all my Bitcoins right now. I would sell everything, in crypto." So if you want to inverse trade, you probably already had the longs because he was speaking about that like literally at the bottoms. But yeah, man, still
Still sitting
still
at
a lot of
63K. Yeah.
uncertainty. Yeah, still a lot
It's,
of uncertainty. Like my total three is still looking on the downtrend. If we lose just that position and go downwards, we go perfect minus 30-40% in August, September. And I already felt past couple of days that the volume overall is drawing a little bit, probably like already minus 50% of volume all over on chain. The only thing that we truly had running was Katecoin on Solana, man. What the fuck is
I
that?
am not a
Oh
big.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Do we need to? We
Oh
don't have to talk about
my.
this. Do you know? Do you know what my entry was on Kcoin?
Yeah, probably like 400k,
740k.
700.
Yeah,
Man,
740k.
this
Sold
was
at
such a bundled
4.8,
coin, man.
and then it's
It was
gone to, I don't know what is that now. What's that? 50 mil, 60 mil,
it, it
67
is
mil.
it is 65 mil.
It's
And you know
crazy.
what? I went the last time I did that, it was with a SolidX founder. The last time, because I had no idea who was that guy, right? And I was like, yo, who the fuck are you? I'm the trench warrior. I was in trenches basically pumping, some coins from 2 3k to like 50k or something like that. I was like, I am the alpha. And he basically launched SolidX and I was fudding it from the bottom. It did like 100x after. Basically, same shit happened with Katecoin, and I aped like 4 or 5k in Sanchan, literally at the same levels over here when the Katecoin was ranging. I was like, man, this is not like going down. It's holding so well. Like, what the fuck is happening? I never grabbed the bag, and it's basically up like 15x in 2 days. And I know a trader who basically we were trading kind of similar. He went, I put like 4 or 5k in Sanchan, basically zero move, and he did like 5k in Kate, and basically, you know, sometimes scam spam the most. He's up like 20, 30, 40 bands probably on Katecoin right now, just clicking this fucking sell button because it's been moving. I have
Crazy,
no
man.
idea, man. It's absolutely insane that only one guy, the poor guy, like only one guy is moving the coin so much because the guy who made like he put like probably 20k or 30k in Ansem, and he was up like 1.2 mil at the high, never
Who,
sold anything. That's the
who is
same
it?
guy, poor goat.
Oh yes,
He
yeah.
actually
He's
he
the
was the
he's
one
top
leading the
tier
fucking
PML.
Katecoin, and I was beefing with him. I was like, man, I probably should learn from those guys and not beef.
Poor
So
goat
yeah,
you're talking about, right? Dude,
yeah,
he's
I'm
up to.
definitely.
Do you know his holdings are at 3 mil
I
right
know,
now?
absolute. Probably right now it's 3 mil or something
Yeah,
on the
he's at
phone,
he's at 3 mil right now.
bro.
Absolutely
I
insane.
regret my decision for buying Sanchan and not blasting in Katecoin because you had definitely a lot of opportunity in this range, like from here to here, 3 4 days to accumulate at around 3 million market cap, right? Yes, it is a scam coin. Yes, it is bundled, but the guy literally made like never sold a coin on Ansem that went to 1.2 mil, and he's up right now 2 mil or something on Katecoin.
Yeah,
Uh,
he's at
It's like,
1.9 mil PNL.
bro, bro, that's like Solana Trenches is like still cooked,
He's
you
not
know?
sold. I don't think. Hold on.
Oh no, 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 he's not sold, man. And he probably have side
Actually, he
wallets
did sell 9 grand's worth. That's about it.
way prior to the
Nine four
CTO,
hundred.
probably.
Yeah, this was at. He sold $400 at 4.4 mil
Mm.
and 9.6k at 7.4 mil. Exactly around the area that I sold 5 mil. Yeah, that's
Yeah, it
hilarious.
was on the first round, but we've seen those opportunities, and it's basically just showing that nothing matters except the attention, and especially with FOMWAP, because we were speaking about FOMWAP 1 month ago when I started my challenge, right? And right now there are like 50% more users. 50%. Sometimes it's getting so laggy that you can't do shit, man. I just transferred everything from there because sometimes from the phone you are not able to do anything. It just freezes because there are so many users. We've seen Mars Coin as well. Probably couple of the same guys that were in, and like the attention those guys like they have so much traction that they pump like those coins to oblivion, probably not even the top. And we've seen Tanev work for his coins on Robinhood. We've seen CZ even like hinting, speaking about that, and trenchers can speculate on some things. On PulseChain is just there is nothing, man. There is literally nothing.
Now, this is Mars coin that took off, tied to SBCXB.
Yeah,
I saw this
yeah.
token as well. That Chinese one.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
going off.
I've
Yeah.
seen, man. I've seen those coins at the bottoms, but you truly have to be locked in to find all the news, to have like literally, all the edges, because the markets in that like
Well, I mean,
BNB.
like there is a platform. It's live that people can use if they want to. If they want something that's going to show them on each different blockchain. MGCintel.com is now live. So, yeah, I mean, like there's so many calls. Even funnily enough, so one of the things that has been a bit of a challenge is we have like this tab called Gem Heat that basically shows you like the best highest volume and like the basically the trending. It's almost like a trending coins type thing, but it's usually where you find the best of the best. Like, and it has a rating score based on how early or how late you are and all of that kind of stuff. But one of the things that it has been doing lately, and I didn't realize this, is that there's so many. You got Kate, for example, and I'm having to readjust it and go, because sometimes it's showing the copycats as well. So you get obviously the main runner, but then you'll get an exact copycat that goes on and does like 10 to 20x, which is insane. Like it's still amazing that you can do that, but it does a 10 to 20x on the same chain. And being like, okay, no, you got to highlight. If you're going to highlight that one, you also got to highlight the runner, the main runner. The main runner is like what it's copying, right? So that's been something I've been programming in, but it's really interesting to see. Like even the copycats are doing 10x, 20x, 25x on the Kate copycat. It's like insane, really, absolutely insane.
Yeah, man. W. Magic Intel literally spotted so many fucking runners at the bottoms that you just have to be locked in. Oh
Jimothy,
yeah.
Ansem. What else? There was another one that recently just trended. I can't think of it off the top of my head. There's like people can see it on Twitter if they want to see it. This hex chart, where's it going, man?
I have my
Where's
my
it going?
first probably 0.014. That's like maybe a bounce. We get that range. We'll see, because I had this prior. Because if this bounce, maybe we have some side ways, and then maybe we form something else. Because I was posting about here, like, guys, if you want, you had a clear 3x. You can get your 3x, because Richard literally started posting about that time, around that time. Right now, we basically a free fall, man. Free fall, like nothing has been, supporting. When you literally draw a line, you don't have to do anything, probably without even the line. You just like, sell-offs, 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 sell-offs. Small bounces, sell-offs. I wouldn't be surprised if we touch this line and then start maybe some people that either didn't get in at the lows, they're like start to buy, either some people that sold the top, they're gonna try to snag half of the bags, so I would see some probably some buyers step in on there. But we have to look at the general markets and like how Bitcoin ETH is gonna uh, do in that case. And I hope Richard is not tweeting again, because he hasn't tweeted
Do you want to
for
bring up the tweet?
1 week. No, you can bring it up, because I mean, man, this guy, as we had some good.
Let's see. Dude, look at the comment section right now, bro. No one is saying nothing.
But
They would if we
like,
did this stream
no,
last
he
week,
hides.
you
So
know,
he's
everyone would have been
hiding the
going nuts.
comments. He's hiding the comments, and the only ones that are still like I'm blocked. I'm blocked since I've come to fucking PulseChain. I came to PulseChain and I was shilling shitcoins. I was shilling shitcoins and I got blocked instantly. I was like, bro, what was that? You know, what's that about? And right now
Well, I mean,
yeah.
it is what it is. I mean, he's going to protect his investment, I guess, his baby. Don't give a fuck that people like to press sell. Continue to talk about the superior security practices and technology and opportunity. I've mentioned Bitcoin, it went down 95%. Mentioned Ethereum, went down 95%. Mentioned Hex, PulseChain, PulseX, ProveX. Some of them went 95. Some of them, fucking most of them, apart from ProveX. ProveX only just launched, but not all. I'm the guy that told you that nearly things in crypto tend to have massive drops. Your press and sell ain't gonna stop me from saying smart things and bragging about being smart. Okay, I mean, yeah.
I mean, bro, Hex dropped 90%, 90%. If you look at his Bitcoin and other stuff that he's mentioning, they dropped probably, but they are up like so much more, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah. No,
you
they
can't
had a second. They
compare
had a
those
second
things.
cycle. They had a second
Yeah.
cycle bull run. That's the big thing. They had a second cycle bull run. So when Hex came into its second cycle, it didn't have a bull run. What was the bull run on Hex? It didn't have a bull run. So, I mean, like people are going to be like, "Oh, you're so critical." Really, I'm trying to get Richie to rage pump it. No, but like, no, I'm joking around. But what I'm really trying to say is that like we should have high standards. If you're like in this,
Oh yeah.
you know, you should have extremely high standards for what it can achieve and what it can do. So like, if someone is one of those post-centric kind of guys, you should have extremely high standards. Like, I don't think it's wrong to have high standards, and it's not FUD if after many years you can't repeat the circle jerk mottos over and over again. It's like hypnotism, man. Like, you can't just keep repeating the same shit. You have to try different approaches. One of them, and it was my suggestion, is okay, let's get connected to FOMO app, bro. Like, if eHex got basically a free listing to show on every single person who's using FOMO right now, because it's a trending coin on Ethereum, it was in the top 15 or top 10, I think it was, on FOMO app, and people were buying it. They were buying it from the application. They don't know what the fuck Hex is. They're buying it from the application.
Oh yeah.
Get every asset that you have, get entrenched, and now we've got Liberty Swap as well that can like easily, you know, people can move from Solana to PulseChain and PulseChain to Solana, BNB, and all that kind of stuff. Get the PulseChain tickers, get PulseChain as an EVM on FOMO app, because that's going to boost every single coin. There's going to be much more volume. There's going to be many more users that you adopt that you didn't have before, right? So they may be just trenchers, they may be just traders, they may be doing short-term stuff, but who gives a damn? Right now, you've got a community that is in shams and like completely destroyed.
I mean, is
and
there
you got
really
to grab it. Yeah, there is a community.
MoneyGang is
There is a
like,
community. Yeah, there is a community. I don't think it's
who's
fair to
that?
say.
Like there are so many, like there are like,
There is a community.
I know
Yeah,
a
I
lot
don't
of
think it's fair
people
to say
left.
that.
A lot of people don't even post about PulseChain.
No.
There are like quite of them, and there are like still the PDI guys who trying to manipulate and like swing, you know, like get more ships in their cult and like move that theory. I still believe, you know, like PDI was one of those that okay, they gave massive gains. It was exploited a lot, but it was correlated to PulseChain failure because it extracted so much, bro, so much that a lot of people don't even imagine how much damage it has done to the chain in
What was
you
it,
know
like some figures I heard was like
oh
30 to 40 million?
30-40 million is that what we know, but we don't know like about other people that made,
Sure.
you know, like yeah, they made millions, but it was like Yeah, if you can take it as a meme coin, it was a good one,
But
a
then,
good meme
if you're a
coin.
P, like I'm
Like,
going to play I'm going to play the devil's advocate here. But the PDI guys will go, well, the same thing happened with liquid loans, right? Because
yeah,
all the
yeah, I
sacrifices,
have no idea who the fuck is Liquid Loans, to be honest, and I
they took
wasn't sure
50
when.
million for that protocol, right?
Yeah, I have no idea, a lot of those protocol who did sacrifices, because I came way later to PulseChain, and I'm speaking like as a neutral, I don't take sides, I just speak like the facts that I see in my face. Speaking about the facts, I was literally shitting on Liberty and like, guys, stop whatever the fuck you're doing, because they're selling into their community right now. They're selling their own coins in the community in the volume with OGB,
Why?
because they put the V3 LP, man, and it's not moving. Like, you can see the pressure, like you can see the buys. You probably like you can see the buys, but it's not doing anything to the chart, because it's like they have some concentrated V3 LP that are earning
But is it
fees in
definitely their wallets,
USDC.
or
Oh yeah, from their wallets. And
what are they
plus,
doing on 9mm?
no, it's their own DEX. What do you mean, not 9mm? They have the
Oh,
V3,
I
V3,
completely forgot about that.
yeah,
They have their index, yeah.
yeah, with the USDC pair. And plus, there is like OGB, whatever
Web
is his
chef, yeah.
name, who's still leeching. And like, bro, Peacock probably did nothing, while Hex on other cores did like 2x or even more. And some of them, like Helgo, did 5x, and other like meme. And if you want to be the leading meme coin or whatever, you have to be the leader in the pump as well, not sitting at the same place and just farm all over again. Uh, so yeah, it's
Facts.
been, I wouldn't be surprised if we dump all the way to this green line, maybe even lower. I just put the random imaginary, but we've got rejected from some kind of a long trend line that we have over here got rejected. Probably gonna go like, I was saying like 3 4 mil. Maybe we'll have like some sense of bottoming around 6 mil. I'm not sure like it still makes no sense to buy, because they're still gatekeeping it and keeping, like, they took all the fucking bad shit from the PDI guys, from OG beef guys. Whenever they turn the back on me, they just start do the dump shit again. And I was like, guys, either you want to succeed, either we want to do the dump shit, and you know, just gatekeep the coin. They're basically doing the same shit right now that the hex whale that was selling hex and still have like a couple of billions out of hex in the bag. They're doing the same shit with Peacock, just gatekeeping, keeping at the same level, just drawing it more, farming it more through V3 LPs and stuff like that. So that's the worst shit about PulseChain, man. That's like, that's why I'm trying to be multi-chain. I trade like everywhere: Solana, BNB, ETH, wherever the opportunity it is. If I can catch it, I'll be there. Will I support PulseChain? Yeah, because it's like I've got probably like 60%, 60-70% of my people are from PulseChain, so I'll be around every single time if there is an opportunity on PulseChain as well. But if I see the facts that are literally in our eyes, I'll just speak about them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's facts, man. It's just you're going to get a lot of hate for that. I mean,
Oh,
that's the problem.
hey, if you're getting hate, it's like, it's fine.
It's pretty normal, huh?
Yeah, pretty normal to me. Pretty normal.
So what are you looking at the moment? Like, I mean, which chains, which what's popping off? I come back to it's always Solana. Like, there's
Always
no
Solana.
yeah
Robinhood has been having some mixed feelings, because we had a lot of sell off on the main, the Pons, which was like the main launch pad.
yeah
It had a lot of sell off without anything, and basically a lot of FUD, and a lot of coins went very bad down, like minus 89%. Even Pons went minus 70% without a bounce. We had the cash cat moving a little bit. it's actually up very well, and it has a nice structure. I wouldn't be surprised if it mooned, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if it had, because we were speaking. I why am I okay? There we go. This makes, so we were speaking before at 33 million, and someone probably dumped and went from PulseChain and bridged over and bought the bottom on CashCat. Should be happy because Hex is down 50% and CashCat is up 50%. It's looking at a nice inverse head and shoulders, bro.
Yeah,
Honestly.
Prince was tweeting about it today.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was thinking about buying it, but I missed the first round. The second one probably was like about here. Didn't take my chance. I still have other coins on Robinhood, so like kind of playing the beta play. But CashCat probably will do very well. I wouldn't like probably go to 80 mil back, maybe 120 before getting a near resistance. But it looks very clear. Like you see inverse head and shoulders. The only pattern is like giga-sended, especially having you have the cat on the cat on Solana running, so the Robinhood people were like, okay, we also have CashCat supported kind of the Robinhood guys behind, so let's moon it.
How does it compare
It's looking
to,
good.
like, if you look at Anthem's chart real quick?
Yeah,
I'd be
I
interested to
haven't
see
looked at
if there's a similar chart.
Ansem, bro. Ansem is yeah. I haven't
Yeah,
opened
it's
this
just
chart in a
ranging.
while, but we see. Yeah, it's ranging. It's ranging a lot. They have a big LPs. You have the big guys supporting it. Even like the poor goat. He's not fucking poor. He's like up 3 mil in the past month. Uh, How crypto can change, man. He was literally shilling like me 9-10K shitters for 2-3 years in a row. He was literally shilling 2-3K shitters for years in a row, and right now in 1 month he went from 30K, like literally put 30K in Ansem, went to 1.2 mil or something like that, and right now he's like up 3 mil, like literally one coin. So I'll
But
keep
two coins,
fucking
I mean,
shilling
is Kate now? Kate is
it,
up
right?
1.9 mil
Yeah,
on Kate.
yeah.
He got in at 1.2 mil market cap on Kate,
Oh yeah.
and he put
I'll keep shilling my 10K shitters because I actually I gave the Kishka on PulseChain a 3-4K market cap. It run like 70K, and then like some people decide to, okay, it's not worth it because they were doing some shit, but it did like 15x in 2 hours on PulseChain. You're welcome, guys.
this was
Give
the
the
one that
bottom.
Giga was complaining
Yeah,
one of the
yeah,
top
yeah, yeah,
holders just dumped or
yeah,
something. I
yeah.
don't know, or got
Yeah,
supply and dumped.
yeah, I bought it and I was like, bro, this is an old OG. Like on PulseChain, the cat is like a 3-4K market, and there is no fucking way. It's like I bought some, shilled it. A lot of people maybe got in, some of them faded, and then it 15x for PulseChain. Tell me what else did a 15x in fucking couple of hours lately? Nothing. You're welcome, guys.
Yeah,
And
but
maybe one day I'll be, the next fucking poor. I should change my name.
poor
Probably if
Alpha.
you yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's. I mean, Kate's gone off. What else has gone off today? There's a few. It's interesting. We have SpaceX's first, basically first earnings call tomorrow. So
Oh
we'll
yeah.
see what the reaction will be. If there's anything positive, I think like a lot of tickers that are associated with Elon, and I posted something on my X about asteroid on BNB.
BNB.
But anything
Yeah.
associated with, I mean, it pays out SpaceX as dividend. But you
Like
know,
you type asteroid, that's the problem currently with how fast attention and spam meta is changing, because you have like one, two, three. You have so many
top one,
asteroids,
bro,
man.
top one,
It is the top one,
top one, top
top
one,
one.
yeah. Top one,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's 2 days old. Like there's like the original one that they have. Basically, they have even fucking documents. They have the
all
no,
these
for real.
copycats.
They registered the asteroid name on the like on the papers that they have the trademark, the IP rights, and it's on ETH and it's at 1.4 mil. Maybe that's even a better buy. That's even a better buy than the one on BSC. The one on BSC, I know that it was launched from the scam, and we have the other one that's run to like
It's been CTO.
it's been like 200
But
mil.
it's heavy, man. 27 mil. I mean, it's probably going to go up anyway
That's
if
why I'm
there is.
saying attention and rotation is so heavy right now, and you never fucking know which one is gonna run. Like there is still so much gambling, in those asteroid games, in those like even Kate coin was launched 10 times on all different chains. And
Do you
only
know
because like
about Kate, by the way?
people.
It was 70% bundled. I
Which
was
one?
checking today. Kate.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I
Yeah,
called scam coin. I was
yeah.
literally like buy Sanchan, and they're like, no, we're buying fucking Kate coin. I was like, all right,
It's
guys,
bundled as
scam
fuck.
wins, I guess.
Yeah, W scam.
Yeah, man. Oh, for sure.
I
This
mean,
one
it's
has
kind
the
of crazy,
trademark.
really.
This one has the trademark and IP rights for the asteroid name actually, and it's also underneath, and it's the OG one that people were trying
But
to
didn't you have
copy
the
from.
same thing with Sanchan recently, where the
Uh,
original and the
no,
copycat? Wait, which
no.
one? Not Sanchan. What ticker was it?
I'm
They
not
did a
sure, but
CTO of a. They did another one
oh yeah,
exactly the
there are
same name. Yeah.
so many coins, man. They're like right now they are sending like LARP coin, slap coin, shit coin. They're sending Kate coin did well, and basically they associate like Dogecoin, Kate coin, right? So maybe I should deploy Hex coin, and everyone gets behind that, and we send Hex coin is better than Hex, right? Makes
Well,
sense.
didn't B Roots do that on Solana when it was Solana season
Uh,
on Ansem? He did a hex cheer
uh,
basically.
a shout out to Beirut. What? Shout out to Beirut,
I mean, at least it passed the milli. To be fair,
bro. That's a fucking rug pull. W insiders.
yeah. Well,
I
it
mean,
went down.
they removed LP or something like that. They'll probably put some LPs because you can see on that. But yeah, man, it's what else I'm looking. You said right?
Yeah. What else are you having a look at? Yeah.
Uh, probably nothing. Probably maybe like some overlooked coins. Have no fucking idea, man. Probably Cash Cat was like the clean grab Cash Cat.
Where's Fiend's version? He did a.
Oh,
Well, I
I
don't know
have
what he
no
did.
idea.
Did he do Pulse? Right, Pulse on Solana or something like that.
Yeah. Actually, maybe let's have a look at the. I have no fucking idea what the coin is called, but there is like some coins that. Oh, Brody. Yeah, that that was what I was looking at. I bought some way higher. Did you say a long way? But everything on Robinhood got hit really bad
Yeah.
because
A
the launch
lot of
pad.
rugs as well, man.
Oh, a lot of rugs.
Holy crap! There's a
Absolutely,
lot of
so
rug
much.
bundled pieces of shit.
Fin is my coin. I don't know the PulseChain
He's
one.
talking about. I think he's talking about Pulse on Solana.
Oh, the Pulse and Solana. That shit is probably also at 1K market cap, man. Yeah, insane. No, so much. Nothing really on the radar, man. Still waiting to see how majors are gonna do, because I
I'm
don't
good, man.
trust.
64.
I don't trust. I don't trust. Don't trust those pumps. To be honest.
No.
Even if like if we pump to 72K, that's an easy sell off, and you go short.
I don't know if it
Maybe
ever goes to 72K before October, bro.
I've seen
That's the
some
bet we
because
had.
you
Like,
have Jim, bro.
why would it get
He,
that
he,
high?
he
I mean, it went up
he's
as
so
high as
bearish.
69, 68.
Yeah,
What was that
maybe
local top there?
it was around
67. Okay,
67 two
67.
times.
But yeah, like I don't. I think it's probably more likely to go towards to the downside than the
What's up,
upside.
Fiend? What's up, Fiend? Just a little bit of trenching. This one is still like if it drops, because my guess is
Because
we never get.
Bitcoin's a pengu.
Bro, that you know why I'm bullish on double bar. I'll just literally put this, and I'll put like 20K if we ever get to this range. I'm putting 20K in Pengu. But why I'm putting this range over here? Because if you go on total three, and I've been speaking, we go on total three, we get rejected over here. The total three is basically rest of the market. You go and you have another 30%, right? And you have the literally bounce zone. So that would be like literally the best entry. And that's a clean, probably 10x from this area. That's a clean 10x, even probably higher.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, would I buy Hex or Pengu at those levels? I'll go all in Pengu. Zero doubt. I hope even Hex pumps 10x before Pengu bottoms, so I can rotate. You can 100x your bucks in 2 trades. That's so easy, man. You just have to have a bit of patience, you know?
What's Hyperliquid looking like?
Hyperliquid.
Yeah, it's still no. That's Zcash. Hyperliquid. Okay, so the bit of a dip now. Kind of. We'll see where the structure of the chart. Probably 42. I would say maybe just above.
Let me put that. Not even actually on the daily. Yeah, man.
It's touching resistance now, where its second rally top was, by the looks of things.
Yeah. I've been following some guys that started to get bullish at the top on Hyperliquid or local top. So that's it, man. Like not nothing really. I'm still enjoying the summer a little bit, so not locked in. Maybe when we get back and be locked in, we're gonna do like some in
Trenching.
between streams, yeah, trenching a little bit, because it'd be fun. It'd be fun, like having FOMO up and like discovering new things. You see
Yeah.
like buys here and there. Like the thing about FOMO up, you can see other traders buy, and it's multi-chain. You can like buy straight away from uh, different EVMs, from Solana, probably even from
Robinhood,
like Monad,
BNB,
Robinhood,
Monad.
yeah,
Yeah.
Base. So that's the good thing. They integrated like a lot of other things.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if there is gonna be like something like that. What, bro? Yeah, man. That's all from my side. Like just trimmed a little bit of profits right now. Just chilling, waiting to see like where, because the volume is also a little bit lower, so the risk is higher when the volume is lower.
Yeah.
Just chilling, pretty much. Trying to spot some gems. If I'm spotting something, I'm just gonna share straight away in the Telegram. But
Facts.
yeah,
Yeah, guys. Well, I think we're coming up to the hour mark now. Price wise, we'll see by the end of today. We'll see if this is just the kind of market open pump or not. I mean, it's 0.48%, so it's not really a pump. But,
we
you know.
yeah but we've had that. We've had that
Yeah.
couple of
Yeah.
times when
Yeah.
the
Thing,
market opened, we had the instant pump.
I was in K at 700K, bro.
Right, you don't need
Like
much than
sold
that.
it at 5 mil, and yeah, GG's, man. Kate's taken off. So always keep a moon bag. It's funny, man. It's funny, but it was bundled as shit, 70% bundled. So it's yeah.
At the end of the
I
day,
didn't
that's
even live by my principles.
yeah.
I always should keep 10% moon bag. It done bits, So yeah, shout out to Kate, man. I think it's at like 60, 70 mil right now, which is crazy.
What was that, bro? There's apparently actually people fucking run the trenches, if you have influence, you basically fucking run everything. There is nothing. Well, look at that shit, bro. That literally pumped right now because someone famous, someone with influence just bought. Like, it's not about is the coin good, is the coin bad. It's basically who the fuck is buying your coin and like who's getting behind. This coin was literally dead, man. Like quick 5x, 6x.
Well, there was the Ansem play yesterday. He put a thesis up on Pump Fun, and that
Man,
coin on
yeah.
base. If you go on base, real quick, and you'll
Wow.
see it.
What the fuck is the
Raw and
some of those coins are
yeah.
what in the world, man?
Base.
Let me check something real quick. This is actually forming a nice, interesting chart as well. Maybe,
60K shit.
bro, 60K shitter, but if you look at this was a 100K shitter, right? So
Okay.
don't fuck around with the trend, bro. That's how you make most of the gains.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it's a low enough market cap to buy.
What was it?
This Aeon coin? This was the one
this
that
one.
this shot up. See that massive big just because Ansem posted on Pump Fun about it.
Oh, really?
And it was
On Pump
fucking
Fun?
yeah on Pump Fun. Went from 500K all the way up to 3.5 mil.
Okay, that's a good 5x.
So
Well, that's what I mean. Those low down trends. The only breakout is if someone like Handsome would post, because it can continue so much. You never fucking know where's the bottom, right? So those are the people that you really have to have notifications on, and it basically trying to trade how fast you're getting the information, and just take the trade. You got a 2-3x, nice, you're out, right? What is this? What was this pumping? I already sold my bags, guys. Actually, secretly, I have 1% on the other wallet, so thank you for pumping it.
Kishka's pumping, huh?
Yeah. Oh, bro, we literally
What's pumping on PulseChain? Have a look at what's pumping.
We've shitted on hacks, but it's like moved 6%. Okay. Nothing really, man.
Okay, I mean, hopefully it starts moving even more. Like let's do another 100%.
We haven't spoke about this chart over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been respecting like down, up, down, up, down, maybe down, up. Could be.
That
This is
3622 is the.
It's been moving so slow, but it hasn't been getting any attention while the rest of the course were moving. So maybe it's gonna have its own cycle, right? Decorrelated, because it is with the USDC pair, not like tied to any other course. Maybe there are some LPs, but not so much.
Yeah, it's just up 17% from where the sacrifices were at. So
yeah, small.
Yeah,
Good DCA if you're a fan of ProvX. Yeah, man. I think we have a good one. Market pumped since we started the live stream.
Can we say if it's not above a percentage, is that a pump?
I mean, yeah, it's a pump into a dump, probably.
No, I mean like okay, 0.5%. It's okay. It's okay. We'll see. I mean, it's going to be a volatile week anyway. Earnings reports coming out all week long, and then Clarity Act. If the Clarity Act doesn't get passed this week, I don't know how the market's going to react. I'll be honest with you. today's range has been between 62,000 to 64,000 ish. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens, guys. If you haven't already, check out mgcintel.com. It's at the bottom there as well. And if you refer people in as well, there's a referral scheme. Just go mgcintel.com/refer. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And also we got the Kick streams all the time, kick.com/trenchcapital. Go over there and follow us. We're trying to build that up as we do. X accounts at the bottom there as well. And finally, if you're not in the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, which is right there on the QR code or in the top left corner of the stream, every stream. So, yeah, any final thoughts, my man, before we end this stream?
Looking forward, I guess, to see how
I think we got Tiger Crypto tomorrow, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He had a job on Friday, so that's why he wasn't on. But now we're going to get him on tomorrow, I think.
Oh, sweet. Looking forward. He's been very controversial in the PulseChain community as well lately. So, very curious to hear, his vision, his thoughts, what he thinks about PulseChain and the rest of the market.
Be pretty good. All right, guys, get ready to tune in tomorrow. Same time as always, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Appreciate all of you, and we'll